Everyone, so how to restore Vault ID account in the Vault app. So you just to do that easily, you need to have done like these two things. I don't know whether you just needed to do one of those things. Probably like either of those. So either you should have added your phone number in the previous app and then just verify that, or you just should have enabled cloud backup. So if you just did one of those things, I think it's possible to restore your Vault app account on a new device. So just select that you want to restore your account from from the backup. So you can just go to existing account, then choose how would you like to restore from the list provided. You have the options like Android account. If you sign up with Android in 22, you can restore your account using Google Drive. There is legacy web account. You can try that. There is a phone account, iPhone account. You can just restore it with iCloud. And then there is existing World ID with new account. So if you backed up your account before, they will appear for you to select. So then you can just see here that select a backup to restore, which will be like your iCloud backup, for example, or local backup, and then you can just tap continue. If not, you will have the option to enter password with your account. So I guess you like this option appears if you verified your phone number, I guess. So yep, and then if you just enter your password correctly, then your account should be restored. And as you can see, this unfortunately, this is the only way to restore your wallet connected to your account at this time. If you didn't add your phone number or enable your cloud backup, then it is not possible to recover your account. However, in the future, we plan to enable a feature to obtain new World ID through OR verification. It's not here yet, but basically, yeah, it's quite limited. So just if you have your World app account, just make sure that you have cloud backup and enabled, and then that you add your phone number to the app. So just do these two things right now, and then it should be easy for you to restore it later. If you didn't do any of those things, I think it probably will be actually super hard to actually restore it, and I think you will need to just create a new World ID account. So that's just what it is.